Bimbli is one very useful fruit. This Bimbli is growing in Goa, and every day we can take the Bimbli from this tree, which is full of fruits. You can see everywhere, and local people use it like a lemon. They use it for a curry, fish curry, some other food. But I use this Bimbli in a little bit other way. Don't read this kind of recipes which are teaching you to use the Bimbli for a gem with a green color. Color always is unhealthy. If you want to make Bimbli gem, then just cut them, clean them, and put with the sugar and eat them like this. Keep them in the fridge. But what else you can do? You can do the ice cubes. You just cut them by pieces and just put to the freezer and use them as ice cubes in a hot or in a cold water. Also in the fresh way you can use them. 1 Bimbli for 1 glass and fresh water. After a few minutes you can drink it and change the water at least 4 times and have a very tasty water and very healthy water. So this is the Bimbli tree, and I really admire it. It's wonderful. So here are my Bimbli ice cubes in the freezer. I take them out and use them. Here's the Bimblis, and here is my one drink with the Bimblis. So you can use them also when you make hot alcohol cocktail, or you just want to have a nice taste to your chai, your tea. You don't need anything else, just the Bimbli cubes to the hot water. Wait a little bit and you'll see how tasty tea it is. I like Bimbli. Thank you for the tree to get us so good and healthy nutrients. Try it and post what have you done with Bimbli, something healthy.